Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the mini mystery box of awesome. I love this subscription box, completely random stuff in here, and in the past I've gotten some really useful items. This month the bag came ripped here, but it kind of looks like this big item kind of blocked it, so I'm hoping everything's still in there. And I'm also hoping this is a troll, because I see what looks like blue hair. So let's go ahead and just rip it the rest of the way. And let's see what this is. Oh my god. That is so funny. This is a little puppet. That's hilarious. Jackson's gonna love that. And its little eyeballs move around. Oh, how cute. I wonder if Raylan's gonna think that's fun. We'll have to see. I like this guy. And it also says it's from the Manhattan Toy Company, which I think they used to send items with like Citrus Lane and some of the kids subscription boxes, and I feel like this is kind of a pricey brand, so that's kind of cool. I like this little guy. We also always get one of these sheets, kind of like little brain teasers. There'll be like crossword puzzles and different stuff on here. So you get one of those a month, a little word search. So that's fun. We also have some advertisements now. They have a new box of food and snacks, which is awesome. You guys know I love getting food in the mail, so that's really cool. And we also have some fish oil from CVS Health. And like I said, this complete mystery box. There's random stuff in here, but normally useful products. And then the last thing is the peanuts. It's a Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. That's cool. I'm going to read that to Jackson. He's going to think this is neat. A little tiny book like that. And I'm not sure if there was anything else in here. Maybe it fell out. I'm going to actually have to look to see what other people got in their boxes. But that's pretty cool. I think Jackson's going to have fun with this. And this is the mini. I'll put all the information below in case you want to sign up for a subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.